Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a couple years ago, modeled from one of the best model agency in Okinawa, Southern Cross. Well, I have this image. And also I have pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, this time this shot is behind this Japanese culture, obi, the art of back. This type. This is just one, not a rope, that's a obi. Well, this is my subject today, and I try to make something impressive image from this. Now, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna let's see, check it out. This pencil drawing type. Let me change the mode, blend mode, normal to color burn. This is interesting. Subtle colors, light screen. This is more color effect. For contrast, huh? Well, main subject of this shot is this obi, so it's got to be beautiful, express beautiful obi. Soft light. Real nice. Pastel type. I want to make with this. Well, let's go for luminosity opacity 100. Now let me make this image fix. Okay, select multiple, then select two of them, duplicate layers. Now I got one, and I'm going to merge selected to get this image fixed one layer. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer, then one of the top of this, change the blend mode normal to multiply, goes darker. Then I'm going to merge down. Now fix, alright. Okay, now let's see, move it between these two pencil drawing and base image. Now let's see, this pencil drawing type. Well, just turn it down, turn it off, just for keep. Now let me change the blend mode of this image I made. Well, overlay makes this obi to be more pop up, and also overall image though, normal 90%, looks nice, illustration type image. Okay, I want to use overlay blend mode on this obi. This is real nice. Then overall image I want to use more like illustration type, this kind of image. So how about lighter color, maybe lighter color or normal. That's same thing, right? Lighter color, lighten. Okay, use this lighten then. Okay, overall image I'm going to use a lighten of this combination. Then I'm going to over this obis to be a little bit punch. So I'm going to make two groups. Now select multiple. Then I'm going to put in this one as one folder. Then copy this layers, duplicate layer group. Then one is I'm going to change ungroup layers now. These two, right? Now I wanna, let's see, turn it off now, just now. Then I wanna see this only for OB. I'm gonna change this layer to be overlay. Okay, overlay 80. Now I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal basic to soft round opacity. Now this is OB, right? Okay, then wanna see this one. Okay, copy mask. Then I only use this image, just paste mask. Okay, we only see this OB. Now then turn it on. Now I'm gonna ungroup layer. I will make illustration type image from this. So let's see, create empty mask, then invert mask. Then I'm gonna review this with, let's see, dry media to soft pastel. Reveal this mask too with same brush. Okay, we got the two same base image here, but this image is affected by this layer, which is overlay effect. But the other one, this one, is lightening effect. So when I reveal or mask this, how much I want to show up this image, overlay image or lightning image, that's the combination pretty complicated. And now I want to see this pencil drawing type image on, then change blend mode to darken. I'm going to create empty mask, now invert mask, then I'm going to reveal and show some design of the bag, some of it, then some of outlines of the hair from this pencil drawing type image. Maybe that's about it. Let's see, around here. Yeah. Now maybe if I can do is add some background color to see overall image balance. Yeah, let me try. Add layer. Oops, I'm gonna bring this one, go all the way up. And then, well, since this is kind of dry media type image, so I should use same soft pastel texture. Then I'm gonna add some, well, pick up the color from Obi, like green, and make it lighter, more pastel-like. Then let's see. Shadow color is fine, I think. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much done. Well, let's see from, this is the color I add. These greens. Then this one is pencil drawing type image. Not much, just a touch here and outlines of the hair. Like this lines. Just touch. And here. Then Obi is the main subject. So this is the one. Change the blend mode is overlay. So much pops up the color wise. Then next one is normal blend, adjust, shows overall, well, just a tone, huh? Then this one is lighten. This is the base image overall. Well, that's about it, and this is it for today. Light image, light illustration from this base image to turn it on. Then mask. That's it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.